Calculate and interpret functions. The slope of a line is a number measuring how steep the line is. There are 4 different slopes: positive slope, negative slope, zero slope, and undefined slope. How do we find slope? Slope is the rate of change between 2 points. The idea of rise over run is often used when looking at graphs. We use m equals y2 minus y1, all divided by x2 minus x1, to find the slope of a line. We can also find the slope from a table. Using the equation, we pick 2 points and substitute, and we get 3 divided by 2. With the graph, we count the rise and the run. The y-intercept is the y-value when x equals 0. On the graph, it is when it touches the y-axis. Let's try an application problem. The graph to the right shows the water bill over the month. It starts with $5 and then increases each day. How much is charged if no water is used? This is the same as asking for the initial value at x equals 0. This is also the y-intercept, which is $5. How much is spent each day on water? This is the same as asking how much does the price change per day. We can find this by finding the slope of the graph. We see that the graph goes up $15 over 10 days. This gives a slope of $1.50 per day. With both the slope and the y-intercept, we can find the equation of the line. We start with the general equation y equals mx plus b and substitute. With the equation, we can determine what the water bill will be on any day of the month. To find the cost at 20 days, we set x equal to 20 and substitute. We could also look on the graph for when the x value is 20 to find that the y value is 35. The cost is then $35 on day 20. Let's take a look at parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that never intersect. The following 2 lines are parallel. The purple line has a rise of 1 and a run of 2, which means the slope is half. The equation is y equals half times x plus 3, where 3 is the y-intercept. The green line has a rise of 1 and a run of 1, which means the slope is also half. The equation for the green line is y equals half times x minus 2, where negative 2 is the y-intercept. If equations have the same slope but different y-intercepts, then the lines are considered to be parallel. In this question, we want to know what the slope is. The line has a rise of 3 and a run of 1, so the slope is 3 over 1, or 3. Only one answer has 3 as a slope. That is answer D.